So here we are with a new exercise to help us build up some speed and strength with our picking on guitar. It's the 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, 1-3, 1-2 exercise, which is just a mouthful, but it's a good exercise, which I'll demonstrate here quickly. So the 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, 1-3, 1-2 refer to your finger numbers. I recommend starting at the 7th fret, but you could really do it anywhere on the guitar, as you're going to see. So let's take a look at the tab so we can break it down a little bit. So here in the tab, you're going to see in the black numbers 7, 8, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 8. Those are going to be our fret numbers, while in the red are going to be our finger numbers. Index, middle, index, ring, index, pinky, index, ring, index, middle. And we're going to keep it to a simple rhythm of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and just repeat. So that's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. 7, 8, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 8, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. A couple of things we want to remember here. We want to keep the pick alternating down, up, down, up, down the whole time. And we also want to maintain our rhythm. We want to keep the speed the same. We don't want to go fast, then slow, then fast. So we want to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we're ending on an up so we can start the process all over again with a down. We also want to make sure that we're keeping our index finger down the whole time and that we're not getting any buzzing notes or anything, because that kind of defeats the purpose. We want nice, clean notes the whole time. If you're getting something like, then you got to go back. You got to make sure you're getting those notes clean, even if you're going really slow. We're working on controlling our fingers as well as our picking at the same time. So if this is something brand new to you, it might be a little hard at first. But once you've really taken time to get it, you'll be pretty fast in no time. If you're just going fast all the time being muddy, you're defeating the purpose. And it's going to take longer to fix that than to just do it right in the first place. When you got that down, the next thing you want to do in the progression is move up to the B string and do the same thing. But we want to rotate strings back and forth. Notice that when I get to the last note, with my middle finger, the 2 or the 8 on the fretboard, that I'm keeping my middle finger down while moving my index finger to the next string. So if I'm starting from here, we'll keep that down and move that up. And then back down, right here. That's keeping the progression nice and smooth. It's good control of my fingers. And you can see here, we're going to E string to B string. And then again, we're going to repeat. We're going to go back to the E string. To then go back to the B string and back and forth. Once you have the E and the B string down, I bet you can guess what's next. It's the G string. And we want to add that into the rotation. So just like before, first you get comfortable with the G string. Then you switch between the E to the B to the G, back to the B, back to the E, and you go up and down, up and down. And just like before, here you can see we're going from the E to the B, from the B to the G, back from the G to the B, and then when we repeat, we're going back to the E. Continue building this one string at a time until you can get from the bottom E string to the top E string and back to the bottom E string. Just make sure you keep those notes nice and clean, that you're keeping the rhythm. If you need to go slow, go slow. Once you can get up and down all those strings pretty easily and it doesn't take too much effort, you then want to do what I call traveling. And there's a lot of different ways to travel, but I'm going to show you 2 different ways here. So the first is going fret to fret to fret. So I'm going to start on the 7th fret and work my way down to the 1st fret. And I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I'll give you the idea. So you would start with your progression. And when you're done, you move back a fret. And you move back a fret. And you keep going until you're all the way at the 1st fret. And when you're there, you move back up. So if I'm on the 5th fret here, I move up, move up, and you try to maintain rhythm the whole time. Now the second way you could travel is also by fret, but also going up and down the strings at the same time. So let's say I started at the bottom of the 7th fret, and I went all the way up, and now I'm at the A string, and I'm going to go up to the E. When I get to the top, instead of going back down, I'm going to go back a fret and go down from there. So I'm going to start from the D string on the 7th fret. I'm going to go up, I'm going to go back a fret, and then I'm going to go down. And I keep going till I'm at the bottom. Then I go back a fret. And I go up. And you just keep going. You go down, go back a fret, go up, go back a fret. And when you hit the 1st fret area, you go the opposite direction. You move back up the fretboard. If you're a beginner or you're new to guitar or just new to these kinds of exercises, just remember, it takes time. Just remember to be consistent with your rhythm and your notes, that they sound good and everything else. Don't be fast, don't be sloppy. With enough practice, you're gonna get it. It just takes a little bit of time. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Just have a good time playing and happy practicing.